Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is my 35th day, January 5th, and I am, as of right now, driving around the Coromandel Forest Park Peninsula. No idea if I said that right, but I'm driving around there, and then I'm going to head to a waterfall, and then I'm going to make my way over to Skydive Auckland. I also need a shave, Jesus Christ. These are my plans. I'm at some wild beach, like the far corner of the peninsula. I can't wait to walk down. In fact, I'm gonna walk down right now. It's so pretty, and there's basically no one here except that car right there, right there. Oh my god, man. Oh shit, there really is a swing right here. God damn. I really can't explain enough how much I hate the sand, but you'll be fine here, camera. One side of the beach to the other and back. It's 2.3 miles on like a slope sandy beach. It took me 22 minutes. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go find a day use area, a picnic table, so I can go make lunch. I'm so glad I stopped at this spot. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I should probably get going because I kind of parked on the side of the road and just jumped the fence. Well, let's see the drone view. So right now I'm walking through, I believe it was called the Water Gardens. It just, $15. Looked really pretty. Seems really peaceful. It's like $15. It's like I don't know, $8. Wow. Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna keep bushwhacking my way through to make it to the last of the falls. Back there. To the top again, baby! Let's go! I think I'm just gonna rinse my head off really quick. Alright, now I get back to the car and go to the next place on my list. That it never ends. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting burned out. Today I did way too much shit. I made it all the way back down to the bottom 3 falls. I really need to stop bushwhacking in these shoes. It's not easy, but goddamn.